Just a little blackout on the GMC on the front grille. It's amazing what a little vinyl can do. Ooh, it's kind of cold out here. We got to fix that. Let's go do it. All right, so we are headed to Brenton Automotive, the OG muffler shop on my YouTube channel and in my life. This dude has deleted every single vehicle I've owned for the last 11 years, 10 years, except for this Dodge that I had. Yeah, I didn't do anything to that, but he's pretty much removed the muffler or done an exhaust setup on every vehicle I've owned other than that. And no shocker, he's doing this one too. So we're headed over there right now. It's 6:30 in the morning. Sun's starting to come up, and as you can see, my truck is nice and dark with these tinted windows and the sunroof. I'm not used to it because I've been driving in a fish bubble or a fish tank or whatever you want to call it for 6 months now. And then I don't even think the Tahoe, I don't think the Tahoe had tinted windows either. I mean, the backs were factory tinted, but I didn't have anything put on the fronts. So it's nice driving around in darkness. I don't have to worry about being hot and bright in my truck all day. So we'll get here, get this up on a lift, and see if we can't cut something off of it. And here we are. The world famous, I don't know about that, the Leaman Griffin YouTube channel famous Brenton Automotive. Pull up in here just about every 6 months with a new car and get him to cut it up. So this is so this splits coming out of the it splits right there to the axle.
Okay. Right up there.
So we'll leave all that. We'll just chalk this out.
Right on. See what that sounds like. We're gonna cut the valve out.
Yes.
I've had I had a guy call me. Oh, it's been inside of this past month. Saw the video of your Tahoe.
Oh yeah.
And he was like, I live on 280, and he said I was watching the video. And I was like, holy shit, Leeds, that's only like 30 minutes away from me. He's like, I can go there.
Did he come up here?
I've got one guy, let's see, I had one guy that came in off of your video, and then another guy called me.
I sent a couple guys. I mean, I didn't send them, but I've specifically messaged a couple guys saying, yeah, that's the shop, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I'd say I've had probably, in all, at least 3 or 4. So
That's good, man. Nothing wrong with that.
And I had one guy that called. He was in Las Vegas. And he was like, hey man, he's like, I know you can't work on mine, but if you could just kind of, give me a breakdown of what all y'all did so that when I go to my shop, I can.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that'd be 50 bucks.
And I can get the same sound. And I was like, okay, well, yeah. Here's what.
Let me try to hold this thing.
Yeah.
It's good. It's warm, but it ain't. it's so much better. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so much better. Oh yeah. That sounds better than that 5.3 I had.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. Oh man, I mean, come on. Quite possibly the best $100 I've ever spent. Every time. I mean, it's difficult to pay for an exhaust system when you can get the sound of an exhaust system for $100. And Brian always takes care of me. Brian's a super good guy. Like I said, I've been using him forever, and I'm gonna keep using him. And yeah, this thing sounds good. I can't roll down my front windows to show you guys because of my tent, so I will open my back. That way you can hear it. All right, here we go. It's got a nice good tone to it. So details on what we did the muffler delete by itself. We left the two resonators that are back behind the spare tire where the tips come out, and then we also deleted that little spring-loaded flapper valve that's right in front of the muffler. So that's what we did. It was 2 3/4 pipe. We used 2 1/2 pipe and then flared the ends to meet it, and I did that. The little pipe will retain a little bit of back pressure, just going through a smaller diameter, so it won't sound so choppy and, you know, dot, 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 like a mall crawler, like these squatted trucks that you see driving around everywhere. I cannot stand when somebody takes a good sounding engine and puts an exhaust on it that makes it sound like a 1980, you know, old farm truck with a cut-off exhaust. It's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. But anyway, mine sounds good, I think. And I don't really care if anybody else doesn't like it. Because I do, but I really wish this traffic would go because we're just sitting here. I don't miss that 4-cylinder drone though. Yeah, I like it. All right, time to seatbelt up. We gotta hit the road, go to work, and on to the next mod. Thank you guys for watching. Muffler delete never fails. Brenton Automotive never fails.